What's going on, guys? I got a Elgato Game Capture HD unboxing. I received this today and I bought it from Walmart for about $136, I think. And I couldn't buy the new one because I'm broke right now, so you know, gotta go cheap. So here's the Game Capture. And here's the USB cable. There's the HDMI, of course. And the component cable for the mic if you use it on the PS4, which I'm going to be doing. And here's the PS3 cable. So that's about it. So I'll be uploading this video soon. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload it before the GTA 5 mod account giveaway number 3. So yeah, I might as well upload it before. So my next video will be uploading in a few minutes about the GTA 5 mod account giveaway number 3. I'll be doing 2 winners. So, and the winners will be announced Friday evening, and my next giveaway after that, I'll do it next week on Tuesday, I believe. Tuesday or Wednesday. And then if I reach 100 subscribers by the end of this month, or beginning or middle of July, I'll be giving a 5 mod account giveaways for GTA. So if you guys want a chance to win, you gotta like, subscribe,